Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, Lilo is pregnant, so I'm making the dinner this day. So I wanna show you how to make Korean food. So you can follow my order and you can make Korean food in your house. Today I'm gonna make 순두부찌개 and 돼지갈비. You can make 순두부찌개 with tofu. And 돼지갈비 is the meat with the Korean traditional sauce, so you can see. Let's check it out. Those four is what you need, the ingredient. First is 양념갈비. This is meat with sauce, and this is the kind of sauce. Like if you put this, this directly make the soup taste. And this is 순두부, kind of a soft version of the tofu, and some onion. Yeah, this is what you need.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on.
Okay, and then put some sauce in here.
Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened, and all the books we've closed.
After this were cooked, you need to put this and this and this.
If you're about to break, I'll be your captain. I'll always be your captain.
No passes.
I'll always be your captain.
Last thing is to put some milk. Okay, little. This is for you. So,
is it?
taste it. This is 돼지갈비 and 순두부.
Gotta be in food.
Mm.
Do you have a special sauce on it, or?
Yeah, this is really special sauce, but I don't make it. Yeah, store make it.
There's
Okay.
sauce in it.
How's it?
Oh, well, I'm gonna look at it. Not bad. Alright, let me try it.
And 순두부.
Alright. Okay. I expect. It was my favorite. After your mouth went down.
How it tastes?
I don't know about this one.
Why?
Good luck. It's alright.
But that's your cup of tea?
Best food. You made it better before.
Really?
Yeah. But it's still pretty good, I think. Which is really hot. And spicy. What you put in it?
This is for you and Tangkong, so it's
Why is
delicious.
it so spicy?
Tired, guys.